Hey guys, welcome back. If you don't know me, let me reintroduce myself. My name is Nissy Elizabeth. I'm 21. Honestly, I can't even believe I'm 21. I'm studying BTech Computer Science Engineering in Anurag University. I'm going to fourth year in 1 month. Honestly, listen guys, the time is currently 3:30 a.m. and I'm not even sleepy like a bit because this is not because of any sleep problem or something, just because of stress. You never know what happens. It's okay guys, don't be stressed out that much. Here comes final year. Suddenly, every conversation is about placements. Like most of my friends nowadays, they're like, "Are you doing any internship? Do you know any companies?" Yeah, most of the conversations are about placements, placements, placements. Because it's final year, obviously, the topic will be about placements. Which company are you aiming for? Are you going for masters? Are you writing GATE, GRE, startup, blah blah? That is, and you'll be like, oh my. And sometimes I just feel like nobody asks you about, hey, are you okay? Are you okay? Let me ask you, let me be your big sis and ask you, are you doing okay? If not, don't worry. You need not have your whole life figured out. You're still young, 20, 21. You might be 20 or 21. It's alright. You need not have the whole plan. Most of the people at the age of 30 or 20, that time they will discover their passion and just go ahead with that. So let's not join in this race, alright? Rat race. Who the heck needs this rat race, bro? You're not behind. And you know what's funny? I started opening my LinkedIn more than my Instagram. Not because I enjoy it, but because the fear I'm having that someone is doing something or the other and I'm missing out. You know that, right? FOMO, fear of missing out. And every time I see someone getting internship or someone getting placed, I'm genuinely happy for them. But right? No matter how happy you are for them, but a small tiny voice inside you keeps poking you. Why aren't you doing anything? Are you enough? Am I not enough? Where am I lacking? So all those questions come in your mind. Like seriously guys, I have edited my resume so many times that I don't even know whether I'm just improving it or just changing the fonts. 3 years ago, I was just nervous about entering the college, and now I'm nervous about leaving it. Funny, right? We have actually come so far. We have survived exams, attendance, assignments, friendships, heartbreaks, sleepless nights, and so many things nobody sees. Not just placements, not the dream package, but learning how to trust yourself even when you don't know what's going to be next. So, if you're feeling lost right now, welcome to the club. You're not behind, you're not failing. You're just at the stage of the life where everything feels uncertain. And maybe that's normal. It's okay to feel lost right now, you know. And no one expects you to figure out life right now. You have a lot more, guys. You need to explore more things. If you're into singing, just go for that. And this is not the life, this is not the end. Maybe I'm just saying it to myself also because I have experienced a lot. Maybe we're not supposed to have everything figured out, maybe one at a time. And trust me, a year from now we'll probably be laughing at the things we were overthinking now. And maybe later we will realize that we were much stronger than anyone else for making decisions. Making life decisions is such a hard thing, and I want everyone to realize that one bad decision and you're out, guys. So it's okay, trial and error. You can just try many things, what works for you, what doesn't work for you. But at the end of the day, it's you. It's you who is going to face everything. So be cautious, be healthy, and take care of yourself. Alright? I don't know exactly how, but I genuinely believe we are going to be okay. Alright? Let's figure it out together. This is not the end of your life, bro. Just get up, go one step at a time. Now I'm going to take my leave. I should sleep, I guess, because it's probably 4 a.m. So, bye, guys. I need to sleep, and yeah, thank you for listening till now. And don't stress out too much, you're going to be okay. Alright?